Yes, please start.
Okay. Hello everyone, I am Chandni Pandya. Today I am present an overview of a neoclassical age, paper number 102, literature of neoclassical period. Next slide. Okay. The age is known as classical age or age of reason. Neoclassical literature is characterized by order, accuracy and structure. It is period of enlightenment. Literature of this age is concerned with human nature, supremacy of reason, unity in the works of all writers. The age wished to understand, not to imagine. Next slide. Aditi. Okay. Definition of neoclassical age. The 18th century in English literature has been called the neoclassical age, Augustan age, and the age of reason. The term the Augustan age comes from the self-conscious imitation of the original Augustan writers, Virgil and Horace, by many of the writers of the period. Specifically, the neoclassical age was the period after the pest oration era of the death of Alexander Pope. The major writers of the age were Pope and Jonathan Johnson, Dryden in poetry, and Jonathan Swift and Joseph Addison in prose. Neoclassical period ended in 1788 when Wordsworth published the Romantic Lyrical Ballads. The period is called neoclassical because its writer looked back to the ideals and art forms of classical times, emphasizing ever more than their Renaissance predecessor to the classical ideas of order and classical literature is characterized by order, accuracy, and structure, in direct opposition to Renaissance attitude where man was seen as basically good. The neoclassical writers portrayed man as inherently flawed. The emphasis emphasized restraint, self-control, and common sense. This was a time when conservatism flourished in both politics and literature. Next. Some popular type of literature in neoclassical age, parody, an imitation of the style of a particular writer, artist, or genre with deliberate exaggeration for comic effect. It is divided in two parts, and one is essay and two is satire. Essay is divided into two parts, letters and fables, and satire into divide one part in melodrama. Next slide. Three stages. Neoclassical period of literature can be divided into three parts. First is the Restoration period, second is the Augustan period, and third is the Age of Johnson. Next slide. The Restoration period 1660 to 1700. The restoration of King Charles II to the English King Charles II to the English throne is 1660. After a long period of Puritan domination in England brought a new chance in English literature. Previously closed theatre were opened again. New group of writers began to write plays. Restoration literature continued to appeal to heroic ideas of love and honor, particularly on the stage in heroic tragedy. Next. Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Chandni.
Yes, you are.
Okay. The Augustan period, 1700 to 1750, it is called Augustan because people was think like Augustan Caesar. This period is marked by the imitation of Virgil and Horace literature in English letter. Next. The Age of Johnson, 1750 to 1790, this period marks the transition toward the upcoming Romanticism. Through the period is still largely neoclassical. Much was happening around the world politically, such as both the American and French Revolution. This time marked a transition in English literature from the structure and formality of the neoclassical writer to the emotional, ungoverned writing of the Romantics. Next. Conclusion. The neoclassical era in literature brought a sense of dorm and stability to rights. There was rules to be carefully followed and there was a structure to be upheld. Thank you.
Okay, that word is decorum. Decorum. Last.
Yes.